Hi, welcome to another episode of Unlocking Medicare with your host, Tyrone Carr. Today we're going to talk about the 3 tips in choosing a Medigap carrier. One, naturally, everybody's conscious of premium. Nobody wants to pay for an insurance policy, including myself, more than they need to. Number 2, customer service. And then 3, loss ratio. So how we determine the cost of an insurance policy is based upon zip code. In some instances, it's county. In others, it's community. Now, customer service, why is that important? Well, for some, it might be more important than others. So we don't want to assume that customer service isn't as important as it is to another person. So based upon our experience, we always like to share what carriers have more friendly customer service or they're easier to work with than other carriers. So we always like to share that information. What I always find that's most important out of the 3 between premium customer service is loss ratio. Not a lot of carriers or even agents even talk about this bullet point, but loss ratio is, in my opinion, both personally and professionally, the most important of the 3. So let me explain what loss ratio means. Loss ratio determines the financial strength and stability of an insurance carrier. So I'm going to give you a couple examples. Let's say you have 2 insurance carriers that have a loss ratio, one company ABC, loss ratio of 50%, and another carrier has a loss ratio of 70%. What that means, for every dollar that insurance carrier takes in revenue, that's the percentage out of the dollar. An example, if an insurance carrier takes in $100,000 worth of revenue, and they have a loss ratio of 70%, that means that that insurance carrier is already allocating 70 cents out of that dollar, or 70,000 out of that $100,000 towards paying policyholders' medical claims. The 30,000 that's remaining, or 30%, is what's left to cover all their business expenses. For example, payroll, commissions, marketing, utilities for an office space. Maybe they have a mortgage on an office building, or rent, lease, and then all the internal costs that are associated with running an office. After you back that out of the 30%, or 30,000, that's what you're left with profit. So if an insurance carrier has a lower loss ratio, in the example of 50%, that insurance carrier has a greater profitability. So what that internally means is that insurance carrier is more likely to have a lesser of a rate increase because the loss ratio is lower versus a carrier that has a higher loss ratio. So I would rather a client pay a little bit more in premium, maybe $5 or $10 more per month, if that insurance carrier has a lower loss ratio than a carrier that has a lower premium, which can often happen where an insurance carrier may come in with a lower rate because they want to look attractive to the consumer that's shopping for a new Medigap plan, or maybe they're aging into Medicare for the first time, and now they're going to choose a plan that has a lower premium, not necessarily lower loss ratio. So the lower the loss ratio, the greater stability of that insurance carrier, the less likely they're going to have large rate increases. How is that applicable to an agent? Why is it beneficial? Because as an agent and as an agency owner, I don't want to have to keep moving a client year after year because of large rate increases. That reflects poorly on the agent, but also I guess as on the insurance carrier as well. So again, in summary, the 3 tips or bullet points you want to look at: 1, premium; 2, customer service; and 3, loss ratio. So if you enjoyed this short video, please hit the subscribe button below and look forward to our videos that we'll be posting Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And again, thank you for watching and have a great day. Thank you for watching today's episode. If you're in the Metro Detroit area, visit our website for dates and times. We'll be hosting a Medicare workshop that you can come, listen, it's free, and we'll answer all your questions pertaining to Medicare. And again, thank you for watching this video and make it a great day.